Okay, so I harvested some tomatoes today, so I'm going to take these in the house. But we have some that are split, rotted, like, so, you know, all of these right here. This is what, 6 of them that have some type of issue. They've shriveled up, split open. They all got something going on with them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the compost here. And this compost, I've just felt it, is pretty hot and active. So this is my long-term compost, but because I've been adding stuff in and balancing it out, it's now reactivated itself. So that's got a nice temperature in there. So I want to put this in, but I want to put this in deep enough to where it's not going to germinate to the top of the compost pile, because they will germinate, and there's still plenty of time for them to germinate. But I'm just going to drop these in, and hopefully, you know, next year I'll get plenty of volunteers when I drop this compost where I'm going to put it at. And I love the volunteers. So I like all of these tomatoes that I've harvested today, except for that big one, or these two, 1 and 2, except for those, are all volunteers. We got another one in there that's shriveled up. Nope, this guy's going in the compost too. This thing is nice and hot. Sheesh. But yeah, compost, whatever's not good, compost, and you'll probably get volunteers next year. In the very least, it's going to provide nutrients to your plants. That's going to help provide more good tomatoes and whatever other vegetables or fruit and whatever else you're planting. So compost. It's nutrients, free nutrients.